Hello everyone, I am Bhavna and today I am going to talk about an interesting kit of KPL, that is lacing board. These are in two variants, one in square board format and other in shapes format. Let's see what all we can do with square lacing board.
Lacing is a typical fine motor activity for learning at the early stages. Working with the string in and out of the holes is a task for the little ones. It helps develop fine motor skills, bilateral coordination, motor planning, and visual perception. This is square lacing board with two laces of different colors. With the help of this kit, child can learn standing line, sleeping line, slanting line. We can make various shapes like triangle, rectangle, trapezium, crosses, numbers. Here I am lacing a rectangle. We can give them the impression of alphabets, like here it's alphabet A. A for aeroplane. We can ask the child to lace the first alphabet of their name or any alphabet, and then various objects or adjectives with the letter can be asked, which would keep the child engaged and make learning fun apart from enhancing vocabulary skills too. Here I am lacing alphabet H. H for hat. Do you feel happy? I feel happy when I am wearing a hat. We can have lot of fun activities with it. It will help in developing skills like tying shoelaces, swing, etc. We also have these in various shapes and bright colors like duck, fish, snail, tortoise, ladybug, truck, boat, cat, frog, and hut. These all are available along with a single string. Lacing helps in strengthening dexterity, eye-hand-mind coordination, pincer grip. Most importantly, it builds confidence, patience, and perseverance in the child. This is a great kit for preschoolers. Keep practicing.